Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're diving into the best wireless and wired gaming headset that combines immersive sound, sleek style, and all-day comfort, the Nubo G06. Stick around for all the details. Let's get started. Product features: fantastic sound quality. The Nubo G06 is built with powerful 50mm speakers, delivering rich and detailed audio that's perfect for any game genre. From the deep rumble of explosions and action-packed shooters to the subtle background noises in RPGs, the sound quality truly enhances your immersion. The bass is punchy, the mids are well-balanced, and high-frequency sounds come through clearly. It's especially great for competitive gaming, where hearing every footstep or reload can make a difference. Comfortable for long sessions. Long gaming sessions are no problem thanks to the soft, thick earmuffs on this headset. They help block out external noise while providing a cushiony fit that won't strain your ears. Even after hours of use, you won't feel discomfort or fatigue. Whether you're casually gaming or going through an overnight session with friends, this headset is built to stay comfy. Stylish and modern design. Let's be honest, looks matter too. The Nubo G06 features a sleek and stylish design that looks great on camera or while streaming. Its modern aesthetics make it more than just a tool. It's also a cool accessory. If you're looking to gift a headset that performs well and looks fantastic, this one will impress anyone who appreciates great design. Adjustable, comfortable fit. Thanks to its telescopic, adjustable headband, the Nubo G06 fits almost any head size with ease. Whether you have a smaller head or need extra room, you can find a snug and secure fit that stays comfortable for hours. 2-in-1 wireless and wired connectivity. One of the most convenient features is the dual connection option. Use it wirelessly for full freedom while gaming, or plug it in using the wired mode when you need a more stable connection. This kind of flexibility is great for different gaming setups, from PC to consoles. Pros: excellent sound quality with 50mm speakers. Super comfortable air cushions for long sessions. Sleek and modern design. Adjustable fit for all head sizes. Wireless and wired support. Cons: no RGB lighting for those who like flashy designs. Mic quality is decent, but not studio grade. Wireless mode battery life could be longer for marathon gamers. Final thoughts. The Nubo G06 gaming headset offers fantastic value for gamers who want comfort, clear sound, and stylish looks all in one package. Its mix of functionality and design makes it a strong contender for one of the best gaming headsets in its price range. Whether you're gaming for hours, gifting it to a friend, or just upgrading your setup, the G06 won't disappoint. You can find the product link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.